Oh, hi, April. Now they're pointing to the word shy, and they said there was a story, shy, timid story, but it was about some invading energies. And I'll say, I'm trying to figure out which way the energy is going. It was towards you. We're going back to when you were 4 years old, and they said the outside energy is about what they're talking about. Then invading it was a conditioned process. This is the process of the house. This is what it is. And they said that it was for you, for the little eyes that you had at 4, it was that it was lofty, and that made you feel timid. So you have to kind of, when you're looking at your adult life, if you can kind of go back to, oh yeah, I could see where I felt timid, um, and hopelessness, because there's something you want, but you keep going back to a particular signature of a person. What does that mean? It means, oh, so I'm going back to that condition, that person that shows up to me. This is how they're showing up to me. And I see this in other people. I need to heal this out. So they're saying that you have to check, because it'll be your awkwardness first. It'll go so fast. Your clue will be awkwardness. And once you start to do this, notice if it goes into self-loathing. If it does, then it's R2D. Who's number 5?
Kelly, 7.
Hey, okay, Kelly. Kelly. Miss Kelly. Oh, that's it. I feel wiped out with exertion, and feeling stubborn all the time. So this is an automatic response that you're giving. And with this, they're saying that you just feel tired. Towards yourself as you feel tired. This is something, you've come out and you've healed a lot. You've grown a lot. They want you to go back. And they said at 6 years old that the outside energy, they got to you. They know how to get to you, and they know how to change your behavior. And now you're at the thing, instead of matching, is that you're going to heal out. Oh my God, they get to you. And that means that you have to do a little L2D, because you still have a certain mask on that you have to do. You have to match, you have to mirror, you have to do it so that you can get yelled at, because in a way, this is how they want you to show up. Okay. And they said that then you sound like you're lofty, and therefore there's just a reaction. So just begin to start on that lower level.